I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty annoyed right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a few weeks. In today's video, I was supposed to do a very exciting unboxing, and instead, today, I'm going to share my very annoying unboxing, okay? So here is what I'm going to unbox today, and I will share with you guys why I'm not in a great mood, although this bag was on top of my wish list. So you can see that the box arrived damaged. Like when I say damaged, it's pretty much ripped apart entirely. Like if you look here, it's ripped like about a third of the way, and that side also has rip, like, and where there's supposed to be like a magnetic closure, right? Also ripped right here. So normally when you place your online order, it comes in a brown cardboard box, and then inside they will put your orange or yellow Louis Vuitton box in there. But today, when this bag arrived, I'm just gonna set the box aside, it came in this plastic bag. And I thought the plastic bag had the brown cardboard box in there because we've had hurricane damages in the past couple of days. So I thought, oh, they did a good job. They decided to put the cardboard box in the plastic bag to make sure that there's no damages on the merchandise. And when I looked at it, there was basically this hole that's halfway through the bottom of this. Like you can see it was really damaged before I ripped it open. Like, and inside, when I peeked through it, I just saw the orange box in there without the cardboard box, and I started freaking out, okay? I thought there was damage to the bag, and I started freaking out. So I had to open and make sure that the bag is not damaged. The bag is not damaged, but I'm still very annoyed that this is the state of the bag, how it arrived. This is the most amount of money that I've spent at Louis Vuitton on a bag before. And yeah, it's pretty freaking annoying that this is how my bag arrived. Like, this is not acceptable. You think a boutique will hand you your brand new bag in a box like this? Do any of you guys have experiences with damaged boxes arriving? Like, do they send you a new box if you ask? I'm just wondering, because I really don't want, like, I don't want to be okay with this, you know? But this bag in here is the bag that I wanted on my wish list for the remainder of this year and next year. So I still am leaning towards keeping it, but like, what a mess this is. So when I opened it, of course, inside it came with the bag and the dust bag. I'm just surprised that they at least sent the dust bag. And in here, of course, the receipt is in here. And then they sent the gift tag with the ribbon. Like, they can't even be bothered to put the ribbons on the boxes anymore. Like, what is this mess? If you saw my unboxing video for my Gucci Super Mini unboxing, they came really very well packaged, and that was like a third of the price of the bag that I'm about to unbox right now. Just really, really disappointing. Like, what is this? Like, there's no way that I would give this to anybody, like, in the state of the box that it arrived in. Like, are you joking? In case you can tell, I am pretty annoyed right now. So anyway, in the receipt envelope comes with the online receipt. The online receipts don't tell you what the price of the item is that you bought, but yeah, there's the receipt here. And then the return label, and then the exchanges and returns instructions here. And I think I got this with my card holder too when I purchased it online. It tells you to not put any cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant on your bag, because I think there's been a lot of cases where the canvas of the bag starts to damage over time because of that. So they included that in this purchase as well. So all of that aside, let me show you guys the bag. This was my #1 wish list item on my wish list. So if you watched that video, you already know what it is. If not, I will link it up above so you can go back and watch that video. All right, so inside the dust bag, you can already kind of tell what it is. This is the POCHETTE METIS in the monogram canvas. So just straight out of the dust bag, I could immediately tell that this bag was probably made in the US because of the corner stitching. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit here. I'm not sure if you can really see, but you can see that it's not perfectly round. There's like a little bit of dent there. And same on this side too. So it's not perfectly round, which doesn't like bother me too much. Bothers me a little, but not to the point where I would want to exchange it because I don't want to deal with that process. And in the back, the stitching looks okay in the back, I would think. The back looks okay. And surprisingly, the front flap actually looks pretty straight to me and it aligns well with the canvas in the bottom as well. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but you can tell like the floral print matches right here, and like everything looks okay. But the thing that I'm slightly annoyed about is the glazing, not the black glazing that goes around the bag, because I don't really see any issues around there. But if you see, there's like the little tab on the side, and that comes with the red glazing. I'm not sure whether it will show up on the camera this far away, but you can tell like that glazing is not done really well. And you might be able to see this one. This one really doesn't have the glazing right. Let me see if I can zoom in maybe. I'm not sure that it'll show, but yeah, maybe there. So that glazing doesn't look like it's done right. There's parts where it's a little uneven, which bothers me a little bit. So anyway, the handle looks fine to me. Came with the plastic stickers on the opening here. So when you open, they did stuff it. It's interesting, like the box came like completely damaged, but they were able to put air paper in the bag. So it came with, of course, the strap in here and a separate plastic bag. I don't know whether that was necessary, but it came with the strap, and then it has the tag with the, I guess, the item number on here. And then the strap, I'm hoping, looks okay. Let me inspect it real quick. I think the strap looks okay, but you will only know after you use it a little while. Yeah, the strap looks okay, yada yada yada. Came, yeah, I don't think like anyone had used this and returned it. I've heard stories where people are getting return bags and it's clear that somebody has used it before, and that would be a big no-no. But this one looks brand new. There's no wear on the hardware or anything like that on the strap, so there's that. It even comes with the buckle protected with a plastic piece here. So I'm gonna set that aside real quick. Yeah, so the bag itself like doesn't look bad. There's no like terrible damage to the bag or anything like that. I'm just a little bit disappointed with the stitching, because you can see if you see on the from the side, like you can clearly tell, that that's not straight. That's definitely not straight. On the left side of the bag, it looks a little better. Yeah, that's a little better. But, I mean, if I put stuff in there, you won't be able to tell too much, but that's the new POCHETTE METIS that I got. I think more than anything right now, I'm a little bit annoyed because of how the packaging arrived. Like, I'm supposed to be really excited about this bag, and my mood is ruined because the packaging was completely destroyed. So anyway, just to do a quick overview of the bag, I will do what's in my bag and what fits inside, initial impressions and things like that in a separate video. Sorry, still looking at stitching. That stitching is also a little bit crooked. Yeah, you can see it's a little, it's not straight. There are little parts of it where I'm a little annoyed. But I don't know. I'm leaning towards keeping it, but just the fact that the box arrived completely destroyed. Maybe I can get a new box shipped by the customer service, but I don't know. Okay guys, so I already turned off the camera to finish my video, but I have found a couple more issues with the bag, whether I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep this, so I don't know. Anyway, you see spot right, let me just sit down so I can show you guys this a little bit closer. not sure whether you guys can see this, but there's a white spot over here. Like, I don't know why that's over there. Like, right there, you see it? There's a white spot over there. Same goes for this side. There's white spot that you can definitely see here. Focus, focus. Okay, yeah, you can see there's white spot over here too. And there's white spots all around here. Yeah, you can see there's white spots all around, like right there. And then on top of that, the vachetta handle over here, when you pull it, you can see that that part is like extremely squished. You see? It looks screwed up. So on top of all the issues that I mentioned in my video, I found a couple more issues on top of the stitching issues where the corners are now completely round right over here. Like, I don't know whether I want to keep this because it already looks like it's been either used or like it came damaged. So I'm gonna think about it and maybe send it back. So that's where I'm right now. So anyway, that's my slightly annoyed, actually I'm very annoyed, unboxing of the Pochette METIS. If you have the Pochette METIS, comment in the comment section down below whether you love this bag or not. I'm kind of looking forward to like putting my stuff in this bag and kind of seeing what fits in here. So I will share that in a separate video. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know, like I said, let me know whether you like this bag, number one. And two, if you have any experience with receiving damaged packaging. I'm so annoyed right now, but I'm just happy to have this in my collection at the moment. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video where I will be sharing what fits in this beautiful, beautiful bag.